Hello friends! Struggling to track how many times each product was sold and calculate total sales in Excel? Today, I'll show you a fast, powerful way using simple formulas that will level up your Excel game. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be managing your sales data like a pro. Alright, let's jump right in. In our datasheet, column A lists the product names, column B shows the quantities sold, and column C displays the sales price per unit. First step, let's calculate the total sales for each transaction. Click on an empty cell like D2. Type this formula, =, select the B2 cell. Add an asterisk. Remember, the asterisk means multiplication in Excel. Now, select the C2 cell. Press Enter. Then double-click on the bottom right corner of the cell or drag the formula down. Now, each row shows the total sales value for that transaction. Next, let's make this smarter. Click anywhere in your dataset and press Ctrl+T to create an Excel table. Confirm my table has header checked and click OK. Because tables automatically expand when you add new products, no extra work needed. Rename the table to Sales Data from the Table Design tab. It'll make formulas easier to read. Now, instead of manually typing product names, let's make a dynamic list. In an empty cell, type =unique. Select the product range. Combine unique with sort to organize your products alphabetically. Press Enter. Boom! You instantly get a clean, alphabetical list of all unique products, no duplicates. Now, next to each product, let's count how many units were sold. In cell G2, type this formula, =SUMIF. Select the product range. Click on F2. Now select the quantity range. This formula finds every match for the product name in F2, like Bluetooth speaker, and instantly adds up the total quantity sold. Press Enter, then drag it down. Finally, let's calculate the total sales amount for each product. In H2, type =SUMIFs. Now select the total sales range. Add a comma and select the product name range. Select F2 cell. Close the formula. This formula sums up the total sales, but only for the matching product name in F2. It's fast, clean, and super efficient. Press Enter and drag it down. And just like that, we have a professional, dynamic sales summary. All fully automatic with basic Excel formulas. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.